Hello, this is Serge, and as promised, quick free review of the website. I'm reviewing SLD Financial website, and the URL is sldfinancial.com. So first thing first, content is the king on your front page. It's advisable to have at least 1500 to 2000 words filled with keywords. And what keyword is the word that contain the service that your company provides and the location. I always recommend to rank locally to get more clients and get easier ranking and outbeat your competition. So in my estimate, you have less than 500 words, and that needs to be changed. Another thing is on your service pages, they cannot be left empty. They also need content, and content for service pages should be in between 500 to 750 words, again filled with keywords. To show you an example of a good keywords, I can use my tool to look at the background on how the website is seen by the search engines. So here's that tool. Look, it's a lot of information here, so I will go to the most important one. Organic keywords right here. So organic keywords, those are keywords that you rank for in search engines, and your position here. The position is good on first page for the most of keywords, but look at the keywords themselves. SLD company, SLD Inc., SLD job, SLD Inc. That is not good keyword because that assumes that client already know about the name of the company somewhere, or maybe even looking for a different company that also have a similar name. As an example of a good keywords, I found a company that is ranking in Google. It's called perennialfinancialservices.com. So if I add a location, which is Los Angeles, that's what they're ranking for. I also sorted by volume to see how many searches per month happening for each of the keyword. So those are good keywords. Look at this. The first one is financial consultant Los Angeles. It's about 102 searches per month. KD, this is keyword difficulties. 1 is extremely low, meaning it's pretty easy to get ranked for this word, not much competition going on. So imagine having about 100 searches, bringing them to your website for financial consultant Los Angeles. I'm pretty sure that's going to drive traffic to your door. And similar keywords, a similar situation, Los Angeles Wealth Management, Financial Advisor Los Angeles, Financial Planning Los Angeles. In order for you to rank for these keywords, you need to have them as a part of your content in a particular way using correct tags, which is the code used by web builders. If you do that, then you would be ranking for correct keywords, and in time more and more keywords will be added for the ones you're ranking for. And after you're done with Los Angeles, you can move on and rank for another city. So those are my quick tips and advices. If you have any questions or would like to discuss some details, just let me know, and we can schedule a call or something. Thank you. Bye.